Hello everyone, my name is Gyan Anand. Currently, I am in final year of my BTech from Maharaja Agrawal Institute of Technology. Imagine planning a trip. Often means browsing dozens of websites, reading endless travel blogs, and finding hotels here and there. Within a minute, you are overwhelmed. What if you could tell an AI your preference and get a customized day-to-day plan? That's exactly what I built the AI travel planner. So my solution is AI powered travel planner that connects different tools together. The workflow is simple. When a user fills a form, the request goes to an AI agent and the response is structured into a daily plan and after that email back to them. So now let's see this practically. I have filled the details. Okay. So when I submit this, I got a thanks message. So once the form is submitted, data flows into n8n via webhook. From here, my workflow starts. The webhook gets the deep detail. After that, it appends the data into Google Sheet. Then the data of sheet is transferred into AI agent and by Grok Chat LLM model. This makes an itinerary for the trip plan. And after that, the details sent into the user's email ID. So the details we shared in the form come to here and after that sends to email. So we can check email here. As you can see that your personalized travel itinerary. This is the full 3-day plan. So instead of hours of research, travelers now get their personalized travel plan. This AI travel planner saves time, reduces stress, and provides a seamless travel experience. Thank you.